Boost your health with the power of bananas and cinnamon. The benefits of this delicious blend. Boost your health with the power of bananas and cinnamon. The benefits of this delicious blend. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I have an exciting, super tasty health hack that's going to boost your energy, improve your metabolism, help you sleep better, and support your overall well-being, all in one simple, natural combo, bananas and cinnamon. Let's start with bananas. They're not just an easy snack, they're packed with essential vitamins and minerals like potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and magnesium. These nutrients support a healthy heart, boost your immune system, and help regulate your mood. Now, add a pinch of cinnamon, a powerful spice loaded with antioxidants, including polyphenols. Cinnamon is famous for its ability to regulate blood sugar levels, which is great if you're trying to manage your weight or combat energy crashes. But here's the real magic: when combined, bananas and cinnamon not only taste amazing but also promote better sleep. Yes, cinnamon contains compounds like methyl hydroxycalcone polymer, which can help relax your muscles and reduce stress, making it easier to drift off at night. This combo is a natural sleep booster because bananas are rich in tryptophan, which your body converts into serotonin and melatonin, the hormones that regulate sleep and wakefulness. Plus, the fiber in bananas supports healthy digestion, and cinnamon helps reduce inflammation, all factors that contribute to overall health and vitality. Whether you prefer it as a quick snack, part of your breakfast, or add it to your favorite smoothie, this blend is a natural way to energize your day and improve your sleep at night. So next time you want a tasty, nutrient-packed boost, reach for this banana and cinnamon combo. It's simple, delicious, and loaded with health benefits you'll love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips on living your healthiest life. Stay happy, stay healthy, and see you next time. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever I post something new. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below and let me know what you think or if you have any suggestions for future videos.